Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Umatai listed something that kept me wondering. Listen, when we heard Indabaga Wife number 5 coming and the trailer was released, the only person who seemed positive about Wife number 5 is Umatsele. Which, like, I didn't find a problem with that. It didn't seem awkward. But this episode 3, the things she said, I'm just like, hi, man. For me, khona into engathi off nyana. Umatsele says, listen, Indaba Wife number 5, in her diary session, she says, I can't wait ukuthi angene kwami. Ngimlindile futhi ngiyamthanda and ngimthanda ukufa. Ngimthanda njengemali noshukela. I'm just like, ma'am, for me that was a bit deep, guys, because how do you tanda umuntu ongamaz? That is my question, guys. Umthanda kanjani ubetha, because the way she's speaking, it's like ngibetha ngaye lo, ngizomthanda, she will not disappoint me type of it's giving those type of vibes. So how do you tanda umuntu kufa to that point, guys? Ungamazi, and you don't even you don't know her. Oh, I don't get it. Because for me now, it's starting to give vibes of the only reason why Umatsele loves number 5 so much is because it agitates the other woman. And I get it. Listen, Umatsele, she has accepted all these other women, whether she's accepted them or not, asazi, okay? But I kind of feel like it's her kind of low-key saying, ukuthi hayi azisheke, angithi nina ningene la emshadweni wami while I was not fine with it, or while like my feelings about how, or whatever feelings I had towards you guys was not valid. Now that you guys have a problem, no, let's not have a problem. Angithi nikane indoda yesithembu azisheke. I feel like it's just low-key giving vibes of the reason why she likes wife number 5 kangaka is because the other women don't like her. Or maybe even possibly, I don't know why, guys, bengamfuni wife number 5 kangaka. Umayeni, she just said, ukuthi wena ikhehla leli and stuff like that. I don't know, maybe they don't like her. Is it because she's young? Is it because she's beautiful? Or maybe Ingage is with the husband of like, why you adding another woman and you can see ukuthi vele like our current setup, we're struggling to even get along. I just don't get why they don't like it, especially Uthobile, guys, this season. I don't know if you have noticed ukuthi unyabile nyana, like she's different. One thing about Uthobile, guys, she's bubbly, she's always laughing, she's always like uphapile nje, like her personality. But this season it's like Uthobile is just, and maybe it could be for the fact that, I mean, in the previous seasons, they were saying, she's forward. And I mean, maybe this season, she's just like, you know what? Let me tone it down. Ginabi in ginage indabazam, which I'm not used to. But even Utobile, I expected her to be excited for wife number 5. But she's just on like, angen indawo. I don't see why I should be happy for wife number 5. Umuntu okumele ukuthi amjabulele indoda yakhe because vele uze endodeni yakhe. I didn't expect that because Uthobile, she's always so happy and jolly and whatnot. I guess, guys, maybe she came into this season with the attitude ukuthi she's going to match people's energy because people battery papa. She's gonna match that, and I guess we'll see how far it takes her. But it just seems odd for me, and it just I don't know, because angimjwayelanga esona. But Umatsele, I'm just like, I'm curious to see, because even the trailer, guys, when Umatsele welcomes wife number 5, she genuinely looked happy. She was happy welcoming wife number 5. So I just feel like it's low-key throwing jabs at the other woman. For her to even be welcoming wife number 5 kanjalo, whereas she couldn't go to even Umakhumalo's members. So I just feel like, nah, guys, like that is like low-key shady. I know it's not the same thing. Uwamkela umuntu no members, so it might not necessarily be the same thing, but it's just giving me vibes of the reason why she likes wife number 5 so much is because the other wives don't like don't like her. But let's see how this plays out, you guys, because listen, you might like someone sometimes kodwa naye lo muntu afike abjikele because uphethe izistress zakhe, and hey guys, we will see phambili. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on it. Do you find it kind of strange that uMacele is saying ukuthi umthanda ukufa umuntu angamazi? Able, or do you find it normal that she's opening up her heart like that about someone she doesn't know? Anyway, guys, let's park it right here. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.